Hmm. I think we could try that, make it work. Try to Dremel tool, get rid of this lens cover, but it's heats it up, kind of burns it. I read you can put these in the oven. It's too hot though, it's 100 degrees, I'm not putting the oven on. So I might just resort to a hacksaw, do it the old-fashioned way. And then I'll get closer down to the size. It's close enough. If I had the other side, it would fit perfect because it's reversed, but that's what I got. This will be a little easier to work with. Here's my template. 20 minutes later, I would say. Not bad for a first attempt. It goes on like that. So there'll be this corner up top. I don't care. This edge fit really nice. That's why I used it. I'll have to silicone it up anyway. The whole reason I had to do this is because this is 1985, 86 CH150 tail light is those are the only 2 years, and they did not make these bikes. Everybody breaks these because they hung off like this. You can see this is all cracked. So I need to make one. If somebody had a 3D printer and was smart, they would blow off 100 of these and sell them on eBay. But that's just common sense.